everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one. It's a continuation of my Valentine's Day series, so make sure you check out the whole playlist so you can see all of my Valentine's Day videos for this year. But today's video is a collaboration with Diane from the channel Mom Life and Mo from the channel Mo Stamboliev. I hope I said her last name right. Both of those ladies are mommy YouTubers as well. Mo's channel is a lot of vlogs. She has grocery hauls and organization videos as well, so definitely check out her channel. I love her style. It's very light and crisp and clean looking. She's just very she's a beautiful home, and I just really love the aesthetic of her channel, so make sure you check her out. I'm new to Diane's channel, Mom Life, but I really like all of her ideas for her toddler, and she also does a lot of cleaning, decluttering, and organization videos as well, and she does a lot of videos about her toddler, so toddler activities, things like that, DIY. So I definitely think that you would enjoy her channel if you have young children as well, or if you like cleaning and organization type of videos. Both of these ladies are fantastic, so I hope that you'll check out their videos and make sure that while you're visiting their channels to give them a like and subscribe. The fact that that is so light right there, it's because there's so much snow outside. I'm gonna jump right into the DIY that I created for you guys. Both of these ideas were stolen from Pinterest, so they're not my original ideas. And the reason that I like them is that they were dollar store crafts, but something that would be really cute for your child, so I hope you like them. The first one is this envelope that I made out of the paper doilies from the Dollar Tree, and then I glued a heart on there. So I'll show you that in the video. And then the actual Valentine, this one is a pig, but I actually, once I was done, I thought it looked a lot like a cat, so I made a cat as well. So here's the cat. I definitely think that my 6-year-old will really like both of these. So if you want to see how to make these DIY Valentine's Day cards for your kiddos, then just keep watching. lot of fun creating these DIYs. You can definitely do this with your children as well to make it a fun activity that involves them. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and a wonderful Valentine's Day. And that will conclude the Valentine's Day series for this year. And I want to thank you all for being a part of my YouTube family. It means a lot to me. Have a wonderful weekend and stay warm, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.